What up guys, Bassdropkeys, your Philly neighborhood Negro. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some baked chicken, and you know that it's going to be Good Eats 420 style. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it! Alright guys, so right here we have the seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and tell you exactly what's in here. What I used was I used a teaspoon of garlic powder. I used a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of cayenne, teaspoon of onion powder, and we use a teaspoon of our beautiful salt that we made right here in the channel, our can of salt, teaspoon of that as well. That is the seasoning that you see right here, all mixed together. That's what we're going to be using. Alright, so this is pretty simple. This is our infused oil that we made right here on the channel, our infused coconut oil. Use whatever oil you want to use, olive oil, whatever. And we're going to go ahead and just put some inside the pan right here. Very nice. We're going to take our chicken breast right here, which I've already tenderized with a mallet already, and we're going to put them inside of here. We're going to make sure that we get oil on both sides so that way our spices will stick. Now we're going to take our spices, cover the chicken with it, and we're going to flip them over and cover this side with the spices. As you guys already heard, the oven is already preheated at 375, and we're going to put this chicken in here for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm just drizzling a little bit more of that oil on there, and there we go. We're going to go ahead and put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so 22 minutes has passed, and I thought I needed some more time, so I put it in for an additional 3 minutes to make it a total of 25 minutes total. It's about to go off right now, and so we're going to be taking this chicken out of the oven, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in just a second here, as soon as the timer goes off and lets me know that it's already time. Give me a little bit of time here, and I'm sure that it's going to be time in just a second. Speak of the devil. Here we go. Let's go ahead and take this chicken out. All right guys, and this is what it looks like right here. Here it is, our baked chicken. Everything looks fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to prepare my rice and my sweet peas that I'm gonna have with this meal. All right guys, so I just showed you how to make some great Good Eats 420 style baked chicken. Before I get up out of here, I wanna do today's subscriber spotlight. As I told you before, instead of showing one person here on the channel and giving them their spotlight on every video, what I'm doing is I'm showing everybody who is supporting me on the YouTube membership program or on Patreon. You're getting your name on the screen right now. So I really appreciate everybody. Thank you so much for everything. Make sure that you go over to the new merch store that's available, shop.goodeats420.com. One more time, the merch store is at shop.goodeats420.com. You will find the aprons, the shirts, the hats, the t-shirts, and we got more stuff coming every day. I really appreciate all of you guys. Until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out guys. Much love.